Let us check out another question. All right, boom. All right, they won't settle for less. Any other suggestions? Midland Credit Management. These people are trash. Like trash. Yeah, they're trash, but again, they don't fight my letters. Be a factual disputer, my people. Be a factual disputer. Okay, I don't settle. Why would I settle with a collection agency that paid the debt off from me already? I don't owe the debt. You don't owe the $665. You don't owe them. So I'm not going to settle with y'all. Y'all wildin'. I'm not doing it. Definitely not doing it. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dispute this. I'm sure you're reporting this wrong on my credit report. There's absolutely no need for us to go back and forth. I'm not paying you. Get this shit off my credit report. Okay. All right. Now let's look at another question.